Hey everyone and welcome to Graphics Grow. In this video I will show you how easy it is to add elements like shapes, photos and graphics to your design. It is simple and a way to make your designs stand out. But first, let's talk about what are elements in Canva. For me, elements are the building blocks of your design. Think of them as ingredients in a recipe. They simply add flavor and style. And with complex editors like Canva, you can find variety of elements, such as shapes like circles, squares, or stars. You can also add graphics such as icons or illustrations to your designs. And not only that, you can easily add the photos and video or audio clips. So, let's start by opening a design in Canva. You can choose a blank template or pre-designed one to customize. On the left-hand side of your screen, you will see multiple tabs. Look for the tab labeled Elements. This is where all the elements are. Click on it. And a menu will open, displaying a variety of element categories. You will see options like lines and shapes, graphics, photos, videos. Each category has its own unique offerings to enhance your design. I always recommend to use the search bar at the top of the Elements tab. Type in a keyword like snowflake and press enter. Canva will display results grouped into categories such as graphics, videos, and photos. Once you find an element you like, adding it to your design is easy. Follow these steps, click on the element and it will appear in the middle of your design. Then move the element where you want it. You can also use the corner handles to make it bigger or smaller, or turn it around. You can make elements match your design by changing the color, size, or position. If the element is editable, you will see a color menu appear at the top. Click a color to change it. There is one important thing you should know about elements in Canva. There are free and paid elements. Here is how you tell the difference. Free elements have no icons or labels. You can use them without limits. The pro elements, on the other hand, are marked with a small crown icon. These require a Canva Pro subscription. I always see adding elements in Canva as like decorating a cake. Each choice adds a little more personality to your design. Whether it's a simple star or stunning photo, these tools can make your creations shine. So, I hope you found this simple tutorial helpful, and if you liked this video, subscribe to the channel to get more video tutorials about Canva.